These are going to be on my phone because I haven't put an SD card in it yet. Let's just see how it flies. Oh wow, it's pretty a lot of wind right now and it's handling it just fine. Three speed modes. Not too bad. It's a little shaky, of course. I don't think we have EIS with this. Externally. Oh, now I'm recording. But anyway, here we go. We're up in the air. First time with the 360S or D. And it's a robust little guy. Kind of light, actually. I don't know why I said robust. But it doesn't feel like it's going to break or anything. I'm not a fan of how we charge the batteries here. You get one hub to charge one battery at a time, and then that's it. There's no other way to charge them, at least not included. No reason for it to go all the way to the right there like that when I'm landing. That's really weird. Yeah, that needs to be addressed. And we got it off. Okay, so far so good. Now we're gonna do it from my perspective. One more again. This is camera mode. That is slow-mo. Okay, let's go to normal. Alright. Yeah, sport mode, it's definitely... I don't know, I don't think this is as nimble as the 360F. Maybe it's more like a 360E flying. I don't know, because I've only flown the 360E a couple times, and it warmed up on me a little, but it still kind of moved like it was some molasses. Alright, that's it. Alright, let's take a look. Now we're doing it from my perspective. Take a look at that guy. Seems to have good stability. That's on sport. So it doesn't seem to be the fastest. I'll do a GPS test. Bring her down. I have a thing I always have to face north when I land. So, there we go. There's that. Completely off. Just a quick introduction to it. It is light, very light. It has a good feel on the sticks here. It has 3 modes. Camera, normal, and sport. I will get into those later when I put my speedometer on there. Alright, thanks for watching.